Hey there, Justin from Blaze. One of the greatest things about Blaze is its ability to literally run on autopilot. And as you already know, it authors, schedules, and posts content for you automatically. But if you want to be able to go in and review content before it goes live, you'll want to take advantage of the approvals tool. Now, before I show you how to turn it on and use it, I'd really appreciate a like on this video. It helps other Blaze users find videos like this easily. Thanks. Approvals is available for our growth plan users and up. So if you're watching this video as a starter plan user and feel like you need this feature, consider upgrading. The easiest way to turn on approvals is to simply select it from the sidebar. A pop-up window appears and explains how it works. Simply click Turn On to enable the feature. Blaze is going to ask you again if you're sure. If you are, go ahead and click Turn On to proceed. Now, when you return to the approvals tool, all of the posts on your calendar will be presented to you for review. You have a few different ways that you can review and approve content. Let's go through them. From the approval tool itself, you can simply hover your mouse over a post and click Approve. This is great if you're just wanting to check out the artwork or images of a post before it goes live. If you want to be a bit more detailed with your review, simply click a post to open it up in Post Preview. I have a blog post opened here. You can review the entire thing, and if you want to jump into the document to make changes, go ahead and click Edit Document. Now, if you are good with it after you review it, simply click Approve, and then Blaze will load up the next post for you to review. You can use the previous and see next buttons to jump forward and backwards across posts. And if you're short on time and don't want to make any adjustments to a post, you can simply click Don't Post, and then Blaze will dismiss it and take it off your calendar so it won't go live. From the homepage, when you log into Blaze, you'll see a card at the top that lets you know how many pieces of content are waiting to be reviewed. Click it, and then Blaze will take you to the calendar view. From here, anything with the review flag on it needs to be reviewed and approved. Simply click a post to open it up into the post preview window, again where you can approve it, make changes if you want, or select Don't Post to dismiss it and take it off your calendar. If after testing the approvals tool, you decide you want to go back and disable it, you can do so by simply going to your workspace settings. To do this, click your user icon in the top right corner of the screen. Go to Settings, then General, then flip the switch to disable the approvals feature in the approvals section. Once it's disabled, everything goes back to automatically posting like before. Okay, so that's everything you need to know about approvals inside of Blaze. A great way to easily check all of the content that Blaze creates for you before it goes live. If this video helped you or you learned something new, again, hope we earned that like. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.